Good morning, everybody. Looks like everybody. Hey, buddy. No, okay, it's over here.
Oh, hey, ow, that's my finger.
Hungry fella. How y'all doing today? Wow, you guys are hungry. Hey, sweetie. Well, the ducks are buddies and the doves are sweeties. Wow, you guys really are hungry, huh? Even the pigeons are like, move it! Fuck off! It's mine! Hey buddy, you got a frozen pig? Guys, that's my fingers! Alright. Gotta throw some food around. Early day. Well, they are very hungry because they are fighting a lot. Let it rain, buddy! Let it rain! Well, we gotta have some fun with it, right? Okay, let's see how this works. Let's see if the pigeon comes up. The brave ones get the rewards. Yeah, that's you go. Yep, almost. Okay, my camera is too close. The brave ones get the reward. Who wants it? Okay, if I lean back, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, come on. Somebody has to land. Nope. Alright, let's have them get used to me a little bit first. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's nice. That's my finger.
Yes, that's my finger.
Yeah, so geese don't bite hard. Or maybe they're just gentle with me. But yeah, they're just biting the shit out of me. I barely feel it. No marks, no nothing. So don't be afraid of the beak. Hey. Wow, they are really into it. I'm basically throwing seeds 360 so they don't walking path. I think I have to go to Kiwi, buy some more.
Hey, stop fighting.
Where are the teenagers? Is there anybody here? Fingers. Little human fingers. Okay, you guys look like you're waiting queue. Here you go. Any babies? They would be on the outside if there were any. Look for the spot on the forehead. Spot on the forehead. Sure, why not? Hello. You guys are polite. Come on, let's go. No babies? Oh, there it is. Baby. Thank you. This is the same one as in every video. Maybe the rest are hanging out at the nursery. Hey buddy. No, that's not food. That's my fingers. This is food. Let's go.
Okay.
Man, I wasn't recording. Are you serious? I found the baby. Baby. So cute. A scooter guy is passing by. Sorry baby, I'm gonna pimp you out as much as I can. You're too cute. Relax the hand. Holy shit. The only one. Were you a late bloomer or a late arrival? The baby has a gray beak. Where is my other gray beak friend? Hey, gray beak, where are you? Mr. Greybeak. There is another one. Oh, probably underneath me. Oh, there's a fully grown male with the same color beak as the baby. And I've only seen one. The rest have yellow. Where is Greybeak? That's my spot. No Greybeak. Okay, buy more food, come back and find Greybeak.